Imagine once again, having now seen the dark side of the moon, as we starve from lack of oil, and, like that mindless, ignorant frog of old, we slowly reach a final boil, let us heed the clear, wise words of our beloved brother John, who urged us to imagine waking up to a bright new dawn. How, through a collective NDE, we can be immersed in healing love and clearly see the simple fact that we're all united from above. Will there ever be a better time than the ever-present now to let go of our perverse wrong view and embrace this holy Tao?